Your pre-market summary for Monday, July 11th. Back in negative territory we go for futures ahead of a big week coming up. We get into Q2 earnings reporting season starting Wednesday. Big banks ahead of the market open will kick things off on Thursday with JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley set to report. Also coming up this week, we get CPI, going to be a big market moving event on the 13th. Mark that one down, 8:30 a.m. We'll get that. Obviously, all focused on Twitter this morning. Futures, we'll have a look here. Back in the red, as I mentioned, 0.75 for the S&P, the Dow about 0.5%, full percent. For the NASDAQ, cryptos continue to slide. Bottom end of the board there, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Big moves once again this morning, back in negative territory. Here we go, the SPY. Big week last week, big couple of days anyways, heading into the weekend, back to 390. Focus this morning, though, back on earnings. As I said, coming up Wednesday, Thursday, we'll get into Q2 earnings reporting season. This is the big headline, though. Elon Musk on Friday coming out saying that he will not continue with the $44 billion potential acquisition of Twitter. So all eyes on Twitter. Tesla higher on that news this morning as well. Chinese ADRs to the downside this morning. More speculation that some regulatory issues might rear their heads once again as far as some of these U.S. listed names are concerned. NIO, separate headline concerning that short report that came out going back to June from the Bear Cave, if you remember that. They responded to that once again. And more COVID concerns as well. Some of the U.S. casino operators back in negative territory this morning as more COVID cases popping up over in China. NVDA to the downside this morning as well, along with some of the chip makers on a downgrade this morning from Piper Sandler. A ton to talk about, a ton to get ready for coming up this week. Going to be a busy week. Make sure you join us coming up at 8:30 this morning, guys. We are back. Hope you'll join us. Grab the watch list, guys. Bottom end of the screen right now. Use the QR code. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.